sang these ere her notes took flight, a child of rhythm born to light. Through silent tears and darkest night, Asha shaped her pain to voices bright.
O timeless voice that hearts embrace, a river none can now replace. Through every age, through every place, you left behind eternal grace.
With Lata Mangeshkar walking side by side, they turned their sorrow into pride. Through storms that life would often guide, her strength refused to ever hide.
She sang of love, she sang of fire, of longing hearts and deep desire. Each note will lift the spirit fly, a voice the heavens would admire.
With opinionated beats that made her glow, and Ardi Barman dreams that helped her grow, she turned each tune to living flow, 1,000 shades within one soul.
From Pia to beats to passion's fire, the maro dam rose ever higher. In aankhon ki masti mein whisper soul's desire, each note became a sacred lyre.
दिल चीज क्या है soft and deep, ये मेरा दिल makes silence sweet. चुरा लिया our hearts to keep, your voice in souls forever sleep.
Oh Hasina danced in golden light, Aao hujur charmed every night. Jhumka gira sparkled so bright, your songs gave darkness gentle sight.
A note woman sung with truth and flame outlives the bounds of mortal name. It finds a home in hearts so wide, where time and silence both collide.
From ghazal soft to dancing beat, she made each rhythm feel complete. No art could ever her defeat, her voice made every moment sweet.
O Queen of songs, forever near, in every tune we feel you here. Through joy and loss, through hope and fear, your echoes whisper crystal clear.
O timeless queen of endless art, you lived within each beating heart. No fate could tear your songs apart, they bloom in souls a sacred start.
On 12th of April, silence cried,
Asha Bhosle, your melody flows on in every dusk, in every dawn. Though time has drawn its quiet line, your voice remains forever.